How to scan Clash Royale QR code. Want free rewards or quick access to events? Here's how you can scan Clash Royale QR code. So start by opening the Clash Royale app on your mobile phone, and then make sure that you are actually signed in into your Supercell ID account on your Clash Royale application. Now, once you are signed in into your account, go ahead and click on the burger icon on your home screen, and then from here, click on Supercell ID, and then from here, head over into the Friends tab, and then once you're on the Friends tab, and then click on this plus icon at the bottom right, and then select Scan QR code, and then go ahead and point your camera at the QR code. You'll find codes in official events, promotions, or Supercell giveaways. Tap accept to redeem rewards or join the link tournament instantly, and that's it. With Clash Royale QR codes, you can unlock rewards and join events in seconds.